Welcome back to LK Dinner Time. If you're a fan of bold, zesty flavors, today's recipe is about to become your new favorite. We're making a mouth-watering chicken curry with lemon that will leave your taste buds dancing. Trust me, this dish disappears in minutes every time I make it at home, and I'm sure it'll be a hit in your kitchen too. Let's get started. For this recipe, I used 500 grams of chicken winglets, but feel free to use chicken thighs if that's what you have. Here's how to create this flavorful masterpiece. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. While you could use oil, butter brings a rich, unique flavor to the dish. Add the chicken winglets and cook on low heat, stirring until they turn golden brown. I make chicken frequently, experimenting with different flavors each time, and you can find all these recipes in the playlist above. Be sure to check it out for more chicken inspiration. Once the chicken is golden, squeeze the juice of 2 medium-sized lemons directly into the pan. This is our secret ingredient. It's what makes this recipe truly one of a kind. Stir well, then add 50 milliliters of soy sauce. Mix it all together to cook the chicken evenly. Toss in 2 cloves of chopped garlic and let it fry until fragrant. Next, season the dish with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. If you love a spicy kick, feel free to add a little extra chili powder. Stir everything together, and once the sauce starts to thicken, add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 2 teaspoons of honey. The combination of flavors creates a beautifully thick and glossy gravy that's simply irresistible. And there you have it, an incredibly flavorful chicken curry with lemon that's quick and easy to prepare. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turned out, or if you put your own twist on it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to LK Dinner Time, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with another amazing dish. Until then, happy cooking. See you. Bye.